Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my laundry area makeover. I don't have a laundry room, I just have this closet that I am thankful for. So I am going to remove these wire shelves and install some cabinets and just give it a little makeover. And I want to share this process with you to motivate you, to let you know that you can do it too. So that's what this video is about. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the wire shelves. There are several YouTube videos on the proper way to do this. That's how I learned to do it. So of course you take the little screws out, the little nails. So these are the holes that were left from removing the shelves. Nice size holes, but they can be repaired. I have some spackle that I already had. It is from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going ahead and use it. I don't really like it because it's very lightweight, but you know, I paid $1 for it, so I shouldn't be complaining. But yeah, I'm going ahead and use the spackle, something I already had, and sand. Okay, just want to show you my progress. You can't even tell where the screws were. And now I'm going to paint my cabinets. I picked these cabinets up from Lowe's. This one right here is damaged. It's uneven. I'm going to go ahead and take it back. They were like $60. So I chose a flat black paint that I'm going to be using. I've already started right here. So I had to do several coats. I think I ended up doing about 4 coats of this flat black. Yeah, I wanted something a little different. I didn't want the glossy black cabinets because I'm going for a different style. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Miss V. My channel focuses on budget-friendly content. I try to show you ways to save money with everyday life. And so if there's something you're interested in, go ahead and tap that pink icon at the bottom of the video and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So I picked up this cute laundry sign from Hobby Lobby. Of course, I used my 40% off, so I paid like $8 for it. So I'm going to go ahead and paint it this black to hang over my laundry area. And so these little acrylic handles, I picked those up from Lowe's. Also, they were on clearance. I insert a clip showing you the price. So yeah, I picked up these acrylic handles from Lowe's. I insert a clip showing you the price. They were on clearance for $5.99. I think it was regularly $11.99. And I'm going to make my own template using some painter's tape. So I've seen several videos where they say you can go and buy a template, but you know, my channel is all about saving money wherever we can. So I'm going to make my own. Yes, as I was saying, I am going to make my own hinge template. You can buy them, but I decided to go ahead and make my own since my channel is about saving money, ways to save money. So I just used some painter tape and just place the hinge on there and just punch the hole in it so I can know exactly where to drill my holes, where for my husband to drill the holes. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. And it worked out great because I attached the first hinge without a template, and I had to go back and correct some things. So this helped out a lot.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer, now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh sorry, oh yeah. The moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with the twilight, my only, my bestie. You fell into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling in with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it that. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you, but tomorrow is only, oh yeah. The moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with the twilight, my only, my bestie. You fell into my love. Let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. Oh, more give me a hug. More want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with your twilight, my only, my bestie. You fell into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight, tonight.
So we went ahead and hung one of the cabinets just to make sure we were going to be able to do it. And as you can see, I've only painted half of the side of the cabinets because I had some top cabinets that were going to cover that space, but I later had to paint the entire cabinet. You'll see. So yeah. So we found the studs, located the studs, and then just attached the cabinet directly to the studs. I went ahead and added some more of my paintable wallpaper to the back wall just to give it some more texture. If you've been on my channel, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I've used this a couple of times before. So I plan to leave the doors off. I like that open look. And yeah, just stay tuned for part 2 to see what else I do. So I may build a pedestal to put the washer and dry on, or either build some type of shelf to kind of cover the plugs and the water outlets and all that good stuff. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet, but just stay tuned for part 2. So this is going to conclude part 1. I love the way everything looks. Let me know in the comment section how you like it. I love it. I really like that flat black paint that I used on the cabinets. So yeah, so thank you for tuning in.